Hey there, incredible parents and champions of your child's future. We just wanted to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for considering the Mackenzie Friend Academy as your partner in the journey through the intricate world of family court. At the heart of everything we do, your child's happiness, well-being, and secure future drives us forward. We understand the importance of every smile, every laugh, every dream in their innocent eyes. When you choose the Mackenzie Friend Academy, you're choosing more than just a service, you're choosing a community dedicated to ensuring your child's best interests are at the forefront of every step you take. Our seasoned professionals, experts in family court intricacies, are here to guide you, the true heroes, on this remarkable journey. Picture the moments when your child's heart feels safe, secure, and cherished. That's the driving force behind everything we do, ensuring those moments aren't just dreams, but a reality. And speaking of reality, we're thrilled to offer you a free copy of From Chaos to Clarity, Family Court Survival. This isn't just a book, it's your invitation to transform uncertainty into empowered action. It's your key to becoming the advocate, the protector, and the beacon of hope your child deserves. So, from our hearts, thank you for considering the Mackenzie Friend Academy. We're here to stand by you, support you, and empower you all for your child's brighter future.